Hello everyone. So today we'll learn the importance of versioning in a bucket. First we'll create a bucket without versioning and I'll show you why we need versioning for the bucket. So create bucket, give a name. We are not giving anything right now. Bucket versioning is also disabled. So let's go and create bucket. Now I'll open the bucket, upload an object. So add file, I'll open, upload. So upload succeeded. Go to bucket, see the object, open it. So you can see how are you doing one. So we have one text file. So there will be developers in the company and they will be making changes, frequent changes, and they will be uploading. So we'll show you why versioning is important for a bucket. Now I'll make some changes in this text and then we'll forward. So I'll do changes. I'll do one, I'll change two, and I'll just save. And I'll once again upload the object. So now you can see I have uploaded the second time. So we'll go to bucket. We can see the same name text, but you can't see anything else, right? Like we'll open and see. Open. Now you can see how are you doing two. So where is one? It's gone. So one is not there. We have only two. And we don't, if we want to go to the previous changes, we can't see, right? So now we'll version the bucket and we'll see. So we'll go to bucket. In properties, we'll enable versioning. See, it's disabled here. We'll let it enable. So we'll save changes. Now we'll go to bucket. First, I'll make some changes in the thing and then 3. Save it. And now upload. So you can see upload succeeded. Now I'll go to the bucket, see the object, open it. So it's saying how are you doing 3. So again now I'll make some changes. I'll write 4 and save it. Go to the bucket, upload object, add file, upload. So now again I have uploaded. So you can see the same text, but you can see something here called show version. Now here it is name, type, last modified, size and storage class. We'll open this show version. It gives the version ID here. You can see the bucket, this text, we'll see which one is it. So this one is 4, the latest one. Now we'll go to bucket and we'll show version. We'll check this L mark is here, right? So we'll click this and we'll open. So we can see 3. That's the previous change. Now we can see the bucket again. Show version. Third one. We'll pick and open. So it says 2. So we have all the previous changes once we enable versioning. So this is how versioning is important because many developers will be working in a company. So they will be making frequent changes. Sometimes if you want to go to the previous change, we can do it by enabling versioning. So this is the importance of versioning. So now we will try to delete the bucket object. So as you can see in bucket, if you just pick, you can see only the latest object. You can't see the other versioned object. So always you have to give version and then you have to delete the object. So now this is L. I'll delete it. So I'm able to delete the object. So again you have to show version. Every time whenever you delete, you have to show version and then delete the object. If you not showing version and you're trying to delete the object, we'll see what happens. So we'll click the object. As you can see, only one object is here. We'll delete it. So some space is there, that's why. Delete. So now it shows successfully deleted the object. Now let's go to the bucket. We'll show version. You can see the buckets are still there. So, and you can see where the deleted place, that bucket name, there is something called delete marker. Then the type you can see delete marker. Why? Because we have not enabled show version here, so they have given the backup of the file. If you open this, so first you have to delete this while show versioning and permanently delete. Now you go to bucket. Again it shows one. If you open the show version, you can see all. So this is how if you try to delete a bucket object, you always have to do show version and then delete the object, whichever is needed, or else it will come back as a delete marker, and again you have to do the same process. So let's now show version and we'll delete all the objects. So we'll click everything and we'll delete and pick permanently delete. So now we'll go to bucket. We'll show version, so we can see no objects are there. Now we can go to the bucket and we can delete the bucket now. As it says that bucket cannot be deleted because once it is deleted, it will go away from all the access points. Till we want to delete it, so we'll delete it. Now you can see there is no bucket in this is a previous bucket. So all of them are deleted. So you can understand what is the importance of versioning in a bucket, because many developers were working together and they will be making different changes. So all the changes will be stored in the bucket in versioning level. Hope you understand. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.